Hello 9th class students, I am here with mathematics class again, and I have to do exercise 2D again for some students who are not able to download from Google Drive. I uploaded this exercise on Google Drive. Some students were facing difficulty to download from Google, so I will send another way. So I do exercise 2D again. Exercise 2D, question number 1. Amount is given as rates for 2 consecutive years are 10% and 11%. Principal I have to find. Let principal be X. So interest for first year is principal into rate into time, that is X upon 10. Amount for first year is principal plus interest, that is 11x upon 10. So principal for second year is amount for first year 11x upon 10. Interest for second year is 11x upon 10, and rate for second year is 11%. So it is 11 upon 100. Interest for second year is 121x upon 1000. So amount for second year is principal, that is 11x upon 10, plus interest for second year, that is 121x upon 1000. So I take LCM. LCM is 1000. So I add 1100x. So it is 1221x upon 1000. Now amount is given as 6593.40. It means 1221x upon 1000 is 659,340 upon 100. I remove this decimal and make it upon 100. So x is equal to 659,340 upon 100 into 1000 upon 1221. So I have cancel it out. These two zeros cancel with these two zeros. This I cancel in table of 11. It is 111. Then I cancel it in the table of 3. 37. I think there's 4 here. It was 4 here, it's not 2. So it is 540. So X is rupees 5,400. That is our principal. So it is rupees 5,400 answer. This is your question number 1. Then I do question number 2. As I told you yesterday that this question is very important. Question number 2. The value of machine depreciates by 10% for first year or 2 years. Let original value of machine be P. Depreciation is 10% first year, 10% second year, and 15% third year. So depreciation for first year is principal into 10 upon 100 into 1, that is P upon 10. Amount for first year is, because it is depreciation, so I have to subtract, because depreciation means decrease. So it is P minus P upon 10 that is 9p upon 10. So principal for second year will be 9p upon 10. Depreciation for second year will be principal. Rate again for second year is 10% into 1. So it is 9p upon 100. 10 cancels with 10. So amount for second year is 9p upon 10 principal. Again I have to subtract because it is depreciation. 9p upon 100. I take LCM. 90p minus 9p. It is 81p upon 100. So principal for third year will be 81p upon 100. Interest for third year will be 81p upon 100 into 15%. 15 upon 100 into 1. It is 243p upon 2000. 81 3 is 243. So, amount for third year will be principal is 81p upon 100 and this interest is subtracted 243p upon 2000. We take LCM. It is 1620p minus 243p. This is 1377p upon 2000. This is amount for third year. Now total depreciation, original amount was p, original value. Now value has become this one. When I subtract, I get the depreciation. So I take LCM. Original value of machine is p. Final value is this much. When I subtract, I get the depreciation. So depreciation percent I have to calculate. Depreciation percent is depreciation upon original value into 100. So depreciation is 623p upon 2000. Original value is p into 100. 623p upon 2000 into 1 upon p into 100. P cancels with p. This is 31.15%. This is the lump sum depreciation in 3 years. If I calculate depreciation year by year, it becomes 35%, but actual depreciation is 31.15%. Then I do question number 6. Question number 6 is find the sum on which difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. So principal, let principal be x. The rate is 8%. Time is 2 years. So interest, simple interest for 2 years is, first I find simple interest because difference between compound interest and simple interest is given. So simple interest is principal into rate into time. It is 4x upon 25. For compound interest, first interest for first year is x principal into rate. Time I take 1 year because it is compound interest. 2x upon 25. Then amount for first year is x plus 2x upon 25, that is 27x upon 25. Then principal for second year is 27x upon 25. Then interest for second year is 27x upon 25 into 8 upon 100 into 1. 4 2 ja 8, 4 25 ja, it is 54x upon 625. Amount for 2 years is principal 27x upon 25. This is 25. 54x upon 625. I take LCM. 54x, it is 729x upon 625. It is final amount after 2 years. Now compound interest is amount minus principal. Final amount is this much, 729x upon 625 minus principal 625 minus 625p, it is 104x upon 625. Now I am given the difference between compound interest minus simple interest as 64. Difference between compound interest and simple interest is 64. Now what is compound interest? It is 104x upon 625. What is simple interest? Simple interest is 4x upon 25. Difference is 64. 625, 104x minus 100x, 64. 4x upon 625 is 64. X is 64 into 625 upon 4. 625 will get multiplied, 4 will get divided. So it is 16. So X is rupees 10,000. So principal is rupees 10,000. Answer. So this is the answer for principal for rupees 10,000.